sad moment that you do lose a pet. Um, they're like your children. How's it? You want some grits and sausage? Okay.
I should've known better, Felicia. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me. Your phone. I should've known that time would show me your true colors. I feel I would play the fool. I should've known you would break our rules. I should've known you wasn't ready to be a lover for. Could've kept it at a friendship.
I just lost my dog, Gia. She was 15 years old. And I'm feeling, I guess you could say a bit lost because I'm used to having her here. So it's a bit strange when you wake up in the morning and you're used to letting her outside to be with or to go to the bathroom. It's a bit strange, but she lived a long and wonderful life. I loved her dearly. And I guess it's just a matter of getting used to the changes in the house. I think my other dog, Leo, I think he really is feeling it. He's a bit, he's acting a little bit apprehensive about a lot of things going on. He knows that she's gone. Um, he was there when she passed, um, but he's feeling it. So I'm trying to give him, of course, a lot more attention, so he doesn't feel um, um, alone. You know, of course, I'm not a dog, so I can't relate to him the way that Gia was relating to him. But I just try to give him, show him I love him. I think as a pet owner, and if you have ever had a pet, um, like a dog or a cat, because I have both, we all know that they don't live that long. You may get maybe 20, 10 years out of them, and then you start to see that they're slowing down. They lose their sight, their hearing, You can see a little gray in their face. You basically know when your dog is aging because just like people, they slow down, they appear different. It is a sad moment that you do lose a pet. Um, they're like your children. I've had pets all my life, uh, and I've lost many of pets. I've lost a lot of pets, and it never gets easier. It's always um, a feeling of emptiness, a feeling of you raise this puppy, this kitten from a uh, 2 month old to 15 years, and now they're gone. Some people don't understand that because they don't have pets, or either they don't care for pets. Um, so they can't really relate to how you're feeling. And those that can, they uh, may have experienced a loss, or they will experience a loss. It is like I said, a feeling of emptiness, and I'm going to miss her. Um, but I'll always have those wonderful memories.
Oh, I'm so insecure. Wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth and stop by my pride, yeah. I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need